Today we're going to make a very classic Mediterranean dish called shakshuka. And right here we're going to clean our peppers. We have a green one and a red one. And we will prepare this inside the wood-fired oven. It is a simple yet very, very delicious meal, and accompanied with some bread or pita bread. It is delicious for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, at any occasion. And it's a healthy dish. It's a vegetarian dish. Now we're just going to cut it into larger chunks like this. And in the meantime, our frying pan is heating up in the oven. We're going to do that with the green peppers as well, and then we will cut the onions. It's kind of a chunky meal, so we're going to cut these into kind of larger chunks like this. Maybe a little bigger. Actually, we decided to cut it into thirds, maybe just in half. It was a bit too big. We will do the same with the onion. Kind of cut it into larger chunks. Flip it around and even this into thirds. There we go. Here we're also gonna just chop the garlic into fine little slivers like this. These are the spices we're gonna use. Some cumin and paprika, some cayenne pepper, and then we'll top everything off with feta cheese. We will also use some tomatoes, in which nestled in there will be the eggs, a few little cherry tomatoes, and then at the end we will also use some of this parsley and cilantro. Into our preheated pan, we're going to put some olive oil, and then immediately we will place the onions, the peppers, and the garlic in here. Now over here, a little bit of cayenne pepper, a little more, and then here are cumin and the paprika. I think to it we'll also go ahead and add the cherry tomatoes and then place this back into the oven. We had some cherry tomatoes left over. We'll place those in. I might just cut the larger ones in half. Veggies are going inside the oven, and we're going to let them cook a little bit before we add the tomato sauce. It's time to add the tomatoes, and to the tomatoes we added just a little bit of sugar. Tomatoes go in, some salt to taste, and then we'll stir everything up before we put it back in the oven. It's time to take our shakshuka out, and to it we will add the eggs. Look at this. Just gonna make a little opening right here, and then we're gonna simply crack the egg right in these little openings. Look at this gorgeous egg. I love this color. Can go back into the oven. Let's very carefully put them back in and allow the oven to do its magic. We're also going to put some pita bread inside. We're going to take the pita bread out. Now our beautiful shakshuka, and we are ready to serve it. A quick drizzle of olive oil. Then side already chopped up the parsley and the cilantro. Put some of that on there. And then this beautiful feta cheese. Oh, look at this. This is going to be so delicious. Let's place this little leaf right here. And then we'll be able to bring our pita bread and just dip it right into it. Buon appetito!